every group of order 6 is either cyclic or isomorphic to S3. This is very, very important. So as per my knowledge, all questions are important. So this is A. So how we will prove it that every group of order 6 is either cyclic या isomorphic to S3. Now this result. Now proof of this result. What is proof? So let G be a group of order 6. So let G be a group such that order of G is equal to 6. So remember, either it is cyclic or it is isomorphic to S3. Now G has 6 elements. It means 1 is identity and 5 is non-identity element. So since there are 5 non-identity elements in G. So remember, so there are 5 non-identity elements in G, and we know that X to X inverse is 1-1 correspondence. What it means is 1-1 correspondence. It means every non-identity element has its inverse. Now we have total 5 elements. This is, for example, 5 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Suppose this element has this inverse and this element has this inverse. So one element has its own inverse because these are odd number. If these are odd number, so 2 elements have different inverse, but one has its own inverse. So remember that. If A is inverse of itself, then it means A into A is equal to identity. It means A square is equal to identity. So what it means? It means there exists at least one non-identity element in G such that A raised to power 2 is equal to identity, right? Or also, since it is prime number, so order of A, this element is equal to 2, this values. Clear? So we get this values, 5 non-identity element, and every element has its own inverse. So it means 1-1 correspondence. So there is only one remaining non-identity element which is inverse of itself. From that logic we get order of A, this element, is equal to 2. Now our group G is either abelian or non-abelian. So there are 2 cases. So case number 1. So we have 2 ways. So first let G is abelian group. So first G is abelian group. This. Now there are 2 cases. First I take G is abelian group, and H, which is generated by A. What is order of A? Order of A is 2. Generated by A is a subgroup of group G and such that order of H and order of A, because it is a cyclic subgroup, so this is equal to 2. So what is H? H is order of H, order of A, which is equal to 2. Now it implies, very carefully, order of G by H. So this is by Lagrange's theorem, which is order of G over order of H. So what is order of G? 6. What is order of H? 2. So this is equal to 3. So what is 3? 3 is prime number. Now every group of prime order is cyclic. So use that concept. So it implies G by H is cyclic group. So this is a cyclic group. Give reason here. So what is reason? Every group of prime order is cyclic. So give reason here. So if it is a cyclic, so it is generated by sum of its element. So its element are of this kind, BH या HB, where B is element belongs to H, right? So this is generated by some element. So suppose that is equal to this values for some B belongs to G, for some B belongs to G. Now again we know that order of X bar divide order of X. So since order of BH divides order of B, remember, and B is order of BH divide order of B. Now this is a cyclic group of order 3 because its order is 3. So this is a cyclic group of order 3, right? So it implies an order of G by H and order of BH are same, means 3. If they are same, so it implies 3 divide order of B. It means 3 divide order of B. Also B belongs to G. So order of B cannot more than 6. Cannot more than 6. So if 3 divide order of B, then order of B are of two kind. Either it is 3 or 6. So there are two way. Either this is a 3 or 6. Why? Because order of B also divide order of G by Lagrange's theorem. B belongs to G, so order of B also divide order of G. So order of B may be 1, 3 and 6, but here 3 divide order of B, so it means it may be 3 or 6. So this value may be 3 or 6. So we have again two cases. So if order of B is 6, then if order of B is equal to 6, right? So order of G is also 6. So it implies order of G and order of B, they are equal. If they are equal, then it means G is a cyclic group. So cyclic group. So what is the definition of cyclic group? So cyclic group have order equal to its generator. The order of cyclic group is equal to its generator. Now, so by first part we prove G is cyclic group. Now second part, this values. If order of B is equal to 3, right? Also order of A which is equal to 2. Also order of A equal to 2. And by using the result, since GCD of order of A and order of B which is 2 and 3 which is equal to 1, then order of AB can be written as order of A into order of B. So this will be 2 into 3. So this is equal to again 6. So again we get a element from G whose order is 6. Now since AB belongs to G and order of AB is again 6, so we get a element from G whose order is 6, then again it implies G is cyclic. So in the both cases G is cyclic if order of B is 3, if order of B is 6. So in the first case, when G is a abelian group, then G is cyclic. In the second case, if G is non-abelian, case number 2. So if G is non-abelian group, and order of G is 6, so that is given. So first case is when G is abelian, second case is when G is non-abelian. So it implies G is non-cyclic. So why? Give the reason. So reason is every cyclic group are abelian. So which is a contradiction because G is non-abelian. So G is not a cyclic, right? So remember that, not a cyclic. If it is not a cyclic, then all non-identity element cannot be order 2. Also all non-identity element. So there exists also all non-identity all non-identity element of G, all non-identity element of G cannot be order 2, cannot be order 2, because if it will be order of 2, then again it will become abelian, right? So because it is a non-abelian. If then there exists some non-identity element belongs to G such that, so order of C divide order of 6, So it may be 3 such that order of C is equal to 3 and C is a non-identity element and AC is not equal to CA. So remember that it does not commute with A. So this values. Now what is H? So I take here H which is generated by C. So because I used H in the previous part, so I take K. So K is generated by C. So what its element? Its element is identity C and C square because its order is 3. So this is a subgroup of group G. Now what is its index? Index is order of G bata order of K. So index of K in G, which is order of G bata order of K, order of G is 6 over 3 which is 2. So every group of index, every subgroup of index 2 is a normal subgroup. We know that. Use that result. K is normal subgroup of group G. So here I used if index of K in G is 2, the prime number, then that is a normal subgroup of group G, right? So here remember this result. Now this is a normal subgroup of group G. Now A inverse CA, A is element of G. So A inverse CA, A inverse CA, it belongs to K because it is a normal subgroup. So it has, because it is a normal subgroup, so A inverse K, this value, it belongs to K. So what is the element of K? Element of K are E, C and C square. So either this number is equal to this value, this number is equal to this values, this equal to this values. Since it is a non-identity, if it is a non-identity, then A inverse CA, either this is equal to C or C square, right? Either it is C or C square. Since AC is not equal to CA, so it means this value is equal to C square, then it implies A inverse CA, this cannot equal to C, so this is equal to C square. So just it is a nature of element. So this implies CA which is equal to AC square. So element of this values. Now we know that, so that is just to define the element, the nature of the element in K. Now as we know that this A does not belongs to K, right? Because K contain E, C and that values. So it implies AH is not equal to AK is not equal to K, right? If this does not belongs to, so this left coset is not equal to this values. Also K has index 2, so G can be written as K union A into K. Why? Because index of K is equal to 2, so it has only right coset whose union is equal to G. Now this element, now what is the element of G? So element of K are C. So first E C C square, then multiply by A. So that is A, then AC and AC square, right? So they are distinct, they are equal. CA and AC are equal. So here it is a AC and C square, right? Now we find the element of G and we know the element of S3, which is identity. So this is identity 1 2. So this is 1 2 and 1 2 3 C, and this C is 1 2 1 2 1 3 2 3 1 2 3 and 1 3 2, this element S3. Now we define a map from this to this set. So remember this map, this is which is define a map F from G to S3. So this map is of this kind, F of E. So this goes to identity number 1, and F of A, this goes to 1 and 2, this element, and F of C, this goes to 1 2 and 3. So remember this 1 2 and 3. So F of C square, right? So this can be find from this, multiply 1 2 3 1 2 3, we check that. So it will goes to 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 1. So identity. So 2 goes to, so 1, so first 1 goes to 2 and 2 goes to 3, sorry. So this is 1 goes to 3. Now 3 goes to 1, 1 goes to 2, this values. Now 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 1, cycle complete. So this will be 1 3 2. So remember these three values, identity goes to identity, A goes to 1 2, C goes to 1 2 3, right? Because it has order 3. So we will get a cycle of order 3. It has order 2, so we will get a cycle of order 2. Now other will we define from this FC square. Now F of A and C, right? So this is image A, this is C. So define from this 1 2 1 2 3, right? So I take 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 1, identity. Now 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 3. Now 3 goes to 1, 1 goes to 2, this cycle complete. So this will become 2 and 3, this mapping AC. And next is FAC square. So only one element is remaining, 1 2 2 3. So 3 1 is remaining. So that will give this element. So this is an isomorphism. This is an isomorphism. If it is an isomorphism, then it means G is isomorphic to its permutation group. When it is non-abelian, then it is isomorphic to its permutation group, right? So this is isomorphic to S3. So G is isomorphic to S3. So I repeat this once again. Now we know that A is element of order 2. So that is connected with cycle of order 2 because it has 2 order. C is order 3, so it is connected to order 3. Identity is connected to identity elements. So remaining element, 3 element, mapping of remaining 3 element can be defined by multiplication. So it means this is a isomorphism. Now what we conclude this theorem? So this is theorem has very important effect. We conclude that every group of order 6 is every group of order 6 is cyclic or isomorphic to S3, and also we conclude that every abelian group of order 6 is cyclic. तो कोई भी abelian group जिदा order 6 आ वो हमेशा cyclic होएगा, and every non-abelian group जिदा order 6 है वो की होएगा isomorphic to S3 होएगा. So this is very important remark कि every abelian group of order 6 is cyclic and every non-abelian group of order 6 is isomorphic to S3. So this result is very important, and this result is helpful to prove that the converse of Lagrangian theorem is not true. Converse of Lagrangian theorem is not true. So this is a question whose statement is two statement. Statement number 1, A4 has no subgroup of order 6, right? A4 has no subgroup of order 6 number, or this question is show by example that converse of Lagrangian theorem, Lagrange's theorem may not hold. So साडे कोल Lagrangian theorem क्या सी? Lagrangian theorem सी कि अगर H G दा सबग्रुप आ तो ऑर्डर ऑफ H ऑर्डर ऑफ G नू डिवाइड करेगा, ठीक है? तो कन्वर्स क्या होया कि जे कोई ऑर्डर G नू डिवाइड करदा, जे कोई नंबर G नू डिवाइड करदा तो उस नंबर का सबग्रुप होना चाहिए, उस ऑर्डर का सबग्रुप होना चाहिए, बट कन्वर्स होल्ड नहीं कर रहा. यदा मतलब उस ऑर्डर का सबग्रुप नहीं होएगा, ठीक है जी. हम जिदा 6 आ 6 आ ये ऑर्डर नू डिवाइड करता तो यदा ऑर्डर की होएगा 12, टोटल होएगा 24 S4, और यदा ऑर्डर की होएगा 12 तो 6 12 नू डिवाइड करता, बट A4 हैज़ नो सबग्रुप ऑफ ऑर्डर 6. सो इस चीज़ नू असी प्रूव करना कि ये विच कोई भी ऐसा सबग्रुप नहीं है जिहदा ऑर्डर जिहड़ा आ वो कितना होना चाहिए, वो 6 होएगा, ठीक है? ये आपां प्रूव करना. सो फस्ट S4 दे बारे आपां नूं पता, A4 आ गया अल्टरनेटिव ग्रुप. So order of A4, which is order of S4 over 2. S4 का ऑर्डर है 4 फैक्टोरियल बटा 2, 4 ती 12 दूना 24 बटा 2 यानी कि 12। ठीक है जी। सो सानू पता 6 जिहड़ा है ये 12 नू डिवाइड करदा, सो इसदा मतलब ऑर्डर ऑफ A4 नू डिवाइड करदा। प्रूव की करना, टू प्रूव A4 has no subgroup of order 6। A4 has no subgroup of order 6। ये असी प्रूव करना दिस वैल्यूज। लो जी, इनू असी किद्दां प्रूव करांगे। नाउ number of first number of distinct 3 cycle देखो A4 च किहड़े आ परमुटेशन, A4 च ईवन परमुटेशन, तो 3 साइकिल ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਏਗਾ। क्यों 3 साइकिल होएगा ਇੱਥੇ देख लो, जे मैं 1 2 3 इनू लिख सकदा 1 3 1 2, ये की हो गया ईवन परमुटेशन हो गया। तो 3 साइकिल A4 नू बिलोंग करता है ना। हुण देखिए किन्ने आ नंबर ऑफ डिस्टिंक्ट 3 साइकिल इन S4। असी पहला चलो S4 च ही देख लीए, वो A4 च भी है। सो दिस फार्मूला हुंदा 1 बटा R n फैक्टोरियल बटा n माइनस R फैक्टोरियल। वैल्यू पुट कर दिन्ने आ। R साडे कोल है 3, n है 4। ठीक है जी। और 4 माइनस 3 ये आ गया, सो ये हो गया 4 तीए 12 दूना 24 बटा 3, सो 24 बटा 3, सो किन्ने हो गए 8 हो गए, राइट। सो दिस इज 8। तो ऑर्डर ऑफ H जिहड़ा है वो साडे कोल, चलो इनू असी पहला 3 साइकिल असी फाइंड आउट कर ले, वो इहदे बराबर होणगे। ना मान लो आपां असी प्रूव करना चाहते हैं, मान लो कि असी प्रूव करना A4 हैज़ नो सब ग्रुप ऑफ ऑर्डर 6। असी कंट्राडिक्शन अप्रूव करांगे। लेट H बी ए सब ग्रुप ऑफ A4 सच दैट ऑर्डर ऑफ H इक्वल टू 6। तो असी मान लिया भी A4 दे विच साडे कोल सब ग्रुप है जिहदा ऑर्डर 6 है। ठीक है, मान लिया, ये असी मान लिया। हुण सानू पता कि A4 दे विच 3 साइकिल हुंदे आ, क्योंकि वो ईवन परमुटेशन आ। H ओहदा सब ग्रुप आ, तो 3 साइकिल किन्ने आ 8 आ, और H जिहड़ा सब ग्रुप आ इहदे एलीमेंट किन्ने आ 6 आ। इहदा मतलब सारे 8 दे 8 3 साइकिल H नू बिलोंग तो नहीं करनगे। जे सारे 8 दे 8 H साइकिल नू बिलोंग नहीं करनगे तो घट्टो घट्ट एक 3 साइकिल होएगा जिहड़ा H नू बिलोंग नहीं करेगा, राइट। सो इट मीन्स देयर एग्जिस्ट एट लीस्ट 1 3 साइकिल, है ना, 1 3 साइकिल। ਉਹਦਾ नाम रख लीए, कोई नाम रख लो जो तुहानू ठीक लगता। मैं सिग्मा रख लेना, से सिग्मा सच दैट दिस सिग्मा डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू H। ये गल समझ आ गई ना, क्योंकि जिहड़े 3 साइकिल हैगे आ वो 8 आ, एच दे विच एलीमेंट किन्ने आ 6 आ, तो 8 दे 8 एच विच तो नहीं जा सकते। सो घट्टो घट्ट एक एलीमेंट होएगा जिहड़ा एच नूं बिलोंग नहीं करेगा। हुण एक चीज़ होर याद रखनी, जे साइकिल दा लेंथ 2 आ तो उहदा ऑर्डर भी 2 होएगा, जे साइकिल की लेंथ 3 आ तो उहदा ऑर्डर भी 3 होएगा, जे साइकिल की लेंथ 4 आ तो उहदा ऑर्डर भी 4 होएगा। हुण ये साइकिल की लेंथ कितनी आ 3 है, तो ऑर्डर ऑफ सिग्मा ये साडे कोल कितना हो गया, ये 3 के बराबर हो गया। एक चीज़ आ याद रखना, क्योंकि ये लेंथ 3 है। ठीक है जी। तो सिग्मा एच नूं बिलोंग नहीं करता और यदी लेंथ ऑर्डर 3 के बराबर आ। जे ऑर्डर 3 के बराबर आ, सिग्मा स्केयर सिग्मा क्यूब आइडेंटिटी के बराबर हो गया। तो इनू ध्यान नाल समझो, ये बेसिकली की है सिग्मा इंटू सिग्मा स्केयर इक्वल टू आइडेंटिटी हो गया। सो बेसिकली ये इहदा इनवर्स एक्ट कर रहा। तो जे सिग्मा एच एच नहीं है तो वह इनवर्स भी एच एच नहीं होएगा। क्लियर। सो इट इंप्लाइज सिग्मा स्केयर आल्सो डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू एच। रिपीट आई रिपीट, सिग्मा क्यूब आइडेंटिटी के बराबर आ। सो सिग्मा इंटू सिग्मा स्केयर आइडेंटिटी हो गया। तो आ इहदा इनवर्स आ इहदा इनवर्स आ। जे सिग्मा एच नूं बिलोंग नहीं करता तो उहदा इनवर्स भी एच नूं बिलोंग नहीं करेगा। सो सिग्मा स्केयर डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू एच। सो दैट इज़ वेरी सिंपल वे। ठीक है। नाउ इफ आई टेक a k subgroup, cyclic subgroup which is generated by sigma, तो ਇਹਦਾ ऑर्डर ਇਹਦੇ एलिमेंट हो गए आइडेंटिटी सिग्मा स्केयर, ਇਹਦੇ एलिमेंट हो गए क्योंकि इट इज़ ए साइक्लिक ग्रुप जनरेटेड बाय सिग्मा। और एच ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ एलिमेंट है, एच ਦੇ एलिमेंट ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੀ ਆ, एच इंटरसैक्शन के ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ एच इंटरसैक्शन के ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ सिर्फ आइडेंटिटी रह गई। क्यों? क्योंकि सिग्मा भी एच ਨੂੰ नहीं बिलोंग करता, सिग्मा स्केयर भी एच ਨੂੰ नहीं बिलोंग करता, पर ਇਹਨੂੰ बिलोंग करते। सो कॉमन पार्ट ਕਿਹੜਾ रह गया, ओनली आइडेंटिटी। अगर आइडेंटिटी रह गई तो असी एक रिजल्ट किया सी ऑर्डर ऑफ एच के, ये किहदे बराबर हुंदा, ऑर्डर ऑफ एच इंटू ऑर्डर ऑफ के बटा ऑर्डर ऑफ एच इंटरसैक्शन के। राइट। एच का ऑर्डर कितना 6 गुणा के का ऑर्डर कितना 3, एच इंटरसैक्शन के इक्को ही एलीमेंट ऑर्डर कितना 1। सो ये आ गया 18। ठीक है, ये आ गया 18। और दिस इज़ ग्रेटर दैन ऑर्डर ऑफ A4। ऑर्डर ऑफ A4 इसका ऑर्डर कितना 12, पर विच इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल, विच इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल। वाई? विच इज़ नॉट possible as HK is subgroup of A4, as HK is part of A4। तो ਇਹਦਾ ऑर्डर ਇਹਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਘੱਟ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ। ਇੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਇਹਦਾ ऑर्डर ਇਹਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਬੜਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ। सो विच इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल। If it is not possible, then our supposition is wrong. If our supposition is wrong, then A4 has no subgroup of order 6. So it has no subgroup of order 6. So in this way we can find that that the converse of Lagrangian theorem is not true, right? So this is my result.